Welcome to Best Academic TV. In this video, we're gonna focus on UNIPORT Post-UTME questions on wave. Let's solve question 1 here. Question 1, they said the period of a wave, that is this question here, the period of a wave is 0.02 seconds. Its frequency is, so we are asked to find the frequency. Now there's what we call wave parameters, and period is one of the wave parameters. The formula for frequency related to period is F is equal to 1 over T. Please don't forget this formula, very important. In this question, we are asked to find period here. In this question, we are asked to find frequency here, and the period T is given to us as, please take note of this, is equal to 0.02. Let's replace the value. So our F here will be equal to 1 over 0.02. When you point your calculator, 1 divided by 0.02 give us equal to 50 hence. So our answer here is C. Please take note of this. So let's move to question 2 here. They said, in question 2, they said sound waves in air are. So whenever sound waves is in air, we call that particular sound wave longitudinal wave. Please take note. Longitudinal wave. We have sound wave can either act as transverse wave and can either act as longitudinal wave. But if sound wave is a light, we call it transverse wave. If sound wave is in air, we call it longitudinal wave. Please take note of this. So the answer here is C. So let's move to the next one here, question 3. The energy carried by a wave is proportional to dash. In terms of wave, we say that energy E is directly proportional to square of the amplitude. Please take note of this. So the energy is always proportional to the square of the amplitude. So the answer here is C. Okay. Question 4 here, they say the speed of electromagnetic waves in vacuum is. Now the speed of light, that what it means. The speed of light is 3 times 10 to the power of 8. That is this here. Please take note. So let's take the next one here. That is question 5. Question 5 here. They said the apparent change in frequency of a wave due to relative motion between source and observer is called. Now this is what you have to understand here, that the change in the sound of frequency, please listen to me carefully. The change in sound of frequency in a wave is called Doppler effect, or you can also call it Doppler shift. Either I call it Doppler effect or you call it Doppler shift. Please take note. So the answer here is C. The next question here, they said when a wave passes from one medium to another, the quantity that remains constant is. So if a wave is passing from one medium to another, it is light, we call it refraction of light. It is wave, we call it refraction of wave. So in either refraction of wave or refraction of light, what remains constant is the frequency. So the answer here is frequency. All right. The next here, question 7, they say the bending of waves around obstacles is called dash. So we have bending of light, we have bending of wave. Now the bending of wave is called diffraction. The bending of light is called refraction. Please don't forget. While the bouncing back of wave is called reflection of wave, while the bouncing back of light is called reflection of light. All you have to do to get more videos on Uniport's post-UTME possible questions is to hit the subscribe button. Okay, thank you.